I've tried to tell you this 100 times. Not getting better by lying there pretending to cry. You on repeat, you can see shit cause you have closed your eyes. You say you listen, but you're missing what it's all about. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah. I try to help you, but you keep reading between the lines. There's nothing there for you to complicate, we're not aligned. You say you listen, but guessing that's just another sign. Not growing up, you're growing old, your life keep passing by. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah. Now if you break it, I can take it, I don't need a prize. Leave out the fact that I am up against 1,000 guys. My intuition efficient cause I can't use my mind. Don't try to tell me how it's done, you haven't done your time. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah.
hotel suite. On the table I saw a line of confidence ready for us to meet. I was standing on the edge of the waterfall, raising my hands up to the sky to see if I lost it all. It's such a messed up place for all there is to face. I couldn't help them if I tried. Storm on the same side where we first kissed many odd years ago. I was feeling some kind of wonder when you called my name, and every time I closed my eyes to the world, you would open them up again. It's such a messed up place for all there is to face. I couldn't help them if I tried. Plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. You don't know a thing about what this is like. I don't want to think about what's ahead. I'm here now, 'cause I've always While we are young, let's be stupid, just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time.